welcome back to my channel. Today I want to upload a video about what's been going on in my life, why I've been so MIA. Let me just go ahead and first apologize for not being here, uploading videos and whatnot for the past, I don't know, 8 years or whatever it's been. I'm sorry about that, but I have incredible news. I am 6 months pregnant. So for the first 3 months of my pregnancy, I was in bed sick for like all day, all night, nausea, and I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to wear makeup. I didn't want to get dressed. I didn't want to do anything. So that's what I did, was sleep the whole time and puke. Just TMI. Just TMI. Yes, I would get sick and then sleep and then get sick and sleep for 3 straight months. So I finally feel human again. I can finally have coffee again. Not too much, but enough to, you know, keep me sane a little bit. And also I get to eat. I missed food so much. I couldn't eat anything. It just comes straight back up. We're very excited to have a baby. I know. We tried for like 3 years, my husband and I, and we're just really excited. I didn't really want to announce it this way, but now since if you follow me on, I don't know why I'm so out of breath either. Calm down, I'm so excited. That's why I keep rambling. If you follow me on any of my other social media platforms, you'd know that I've already posted about being pregnant, and this is my first time announcing it on YouTube to my channel. So I'm just really excited about buying baby stuff and baby clothes and having a little baby around. And I haven't really enjoyed growing out of my clothes and my underwear and my bras, and basically this baby is a lot bigger than my daughter, my 10-year-old. And I've been growing out of all my clothes, and I've had to get new clothes, and maternity clothes are not cute at all. I swear they think that maternity women just don't care how they look. They just want to be like ugly or something, I don't know, or like old lady outfits. So I've been buying clothes that have like elastic waistbands, clothes that are too big for me, you know, that would be too big for me but aren't now since I'm pregnant. Just wearing clothes that I had that are stretchy. Just anything that feels comfortable and not too tight around my stomach, around the baby, is what I've been wearing. And just really happy. That's all. I wish I had more things to talk about, but I'm just like drawing a blank for some reason. I don't know what's going on in my head. I think I should have prepared more for this video, but I just wanted to get one out there so you guys would know what I've been doing, what I've been up to, since it's been so long since I uploaded one. And I've just really missed this, talking to you guys and doing makeup tutorials and what's in my handbags and, you know, my thrift hauls. Oh, I've been buying so much thrift stuff. I would love to film it, but I got so much stuff that I don't even know what I have, honestly. What else? We're getting ready to move. So right now my life is just so busy all the time. Doctor's appointments and packing, and I haven't even really thought about how I'm going to pack all my makeup. I don't want to, honestly, even though I need to start brainstorming and finding boxes and ways to keep it from getting destroyed, hopefully. Knock on wood. And other than that, that's all I've been doing. Just hanging out, trying to take care of myself, eating a lot, a whole lot. And also I've been just wanting to do some mindfulness, just some things to make me feel better, you know, about my anxieties and stuff, since I can't take certain medications now that I'm pregnant. So I've just been doing like creative, crafty things to you know, find an outlet, a way to express myself when I'm feeling like too anxious or too whatever. So I started a vision journal. So what I've done is found things that inspire me, whether it be stickers or notebook or paper or like cards that, you know, your friends have wrote you or anything like that, and you just glue it to the pages in like a sketchbook. And you can decorate the front and the back however you want with whatever you want. You can put beads on it. You can put whatever. All you need is like a glue stick and a stack of magazines also, if you want to do it the way I've done it. I cut out things like makeup and clothes and handbags and brushes and stuff like that that inspire me, and then I glue them onto the paper after I cut it out. Sometimes you don't have to cut it out. You can just rip the page out, and I'll show you guys here in a minute what I'm talking about whenever I go get my vision journal. What? Whenever I go get that and I show you guys how I've been doing it, you just rip the page out, and then you can fold it in half and then glue it onto another page in the sketchbook. So then it creates like an extra page into your sketchbook without you having to like cut out the entire picture, if that makes sense. I'll show you guys. You'll know what I'm talking about. I know I'm really bad at explaining things. You'll just have to forgive me. I'm sorry. I try. But it's been a lot of fun. And then, you know, you can have like a picture on there, whether it be a tree or something, and then you can write stuff on there, like your thoughts or song lyrics or anything that makes you feel good about, you know, you. And then also there'll be the picture behind it, so it'll kind of like camouflage it a little bit so no one can like know exactly what it says, so to speak. Because it's like, you know, it's your vision journal. It's a private thing between you and yourself, your book and you. And whatever you want to put in it is going to be your vision, you know, like whatever it is. Like I've always been a huge crafty person. I've always loved making collages and hanging up pictures and just doing like anything with glue or scissors or tape or anything like that. I've always loved doing stuff like that. So this to me is just normal. Just a normal thing that I've always loved doing. It's been my resolution for this year to be more crafty, to, you know, not to focus so much on, you know, like, what's the word? Like, I don't know why I can't even think of words. Like, artificial things in your life, like relationships that don't matter or makeup. You know, like, I know it's fun. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun, and it's like my life and everything, and I love being a makeup artist. And, but it's not like it's not everything, you know. I don't have to wear makeup to feel good about myself. I do feel good about myself, period. Makeup is just something that makes me happy. So I just want to find stuff, other things like hobbies to do that, you know, fulfill my soul, so to speak. Like, I guess that's the right word. Like, make me feel good about myself, so I don't just sit around and dwell on things that go wrong in my life, which I can all the time, non-stop. That's what I do. And I don't know if other people do that, just like live in a realm of negativity where you're unhappy and you just focus on everything that has went wrong or is going wrong or is going to go wrong, and that makes your anxiety even worse. I tend to do that sometimes, and I'm trying not to. I'm trying to, you know, breed positivity in my life, so to speak, because what you put in comes out. So if you keep putting negative things inside of you, all that's going to come out is negative things also, if that makes sense. I'm trying to change that cycle and do positive things, if that makes sense. Sorry, this video is a bit all over the place. I talk really fast and I just have a lot to talk about and say, and I just want to get it all out there, and it's only been going on for like 10 minutes now, and I feel like I've already told everything and been on the camera for like an hour or so. But other than the pregnancy and just eating and sleeping basically, and, you know, shopping for the baby and for thrift things, I've just been doing the crafting things and just taking a break from social media. It feels good to be back. And talking to you guys. I've missed you so much. I can't wait to start doing tutorials and things like that again. I was saying I don't know how much I'll get done with a newborn around after I have the baby, but I'd like to continue what I've been doing. I've really been focusing on doing my makeup and just wanting to share it with you guys and my blogs and stuff, and I really enjoyed being back in the social media world since I feel better, since I'm not always so sick, and bless my husband's heart. He has been such a huge help during the process of me being sick, because twice I had to go to the emergency room for fluids. I was so dehydrated and hadn't been able to keep anything down, and he went with me both times, and he's just been so nice about me being sick when I've been crying and laying by the toilet or screaming, going from like mad to sad, back and forth, you know, hormonal stuff that pregnant women do. If you've ever been pregnant, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Crying for no reason, you know, because the food didn't taste good, or you didn't get it fast enough, or your shoes don't fit right, or, you know, just anything like that is what I've been doing. And he's just been so good to me during all this craziness. And my dog is grown a lot. Coco, we all know her and how crazy she is and how she basically runs our lives because she's a little princess. I don't know how she's going to respond to the new baby. I think either she'll be super protective and love it, or she'll get really jealous and bark all the time because she's the baby for now. I know my cat will just be like, whatever, another person to get our attention, you know, instead of her getting all the attention. It's ridiculous. They're like kids. But anyway, I'm going to get to the second part of this video where I talk about and show you guys my vision journal. And hopefully you guys can adopt the same approach if you liked it. Just comment below and let me know what you think about the vision journaling, and if you're interested in doing it. I would love to know what you guys think and if you're going to do it or not. I really enjoy doing it. It's been a lot of fun, and I've been really like meticulous about it. You don't have to be, but I have been. Also, you guys, I want to show you my bump, my baby bump. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you on camera the bump. So here we go. So for a long time it looked like a beer gut, and now I'm starting to look pregnant again. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. But right now I'm just wearing some leggings because I'm just sitting around the house, you know, filming. But this is the little baby bump, you know, 23 weeks almost. And I know that some of you requested to see the bump. So here it is in all its glory. It's still just, to me, like, looks like a little beer gut type thing. I mean, I think I look pregnant. My husband tells me I look pregnant. I'm a lot bigger than what I was. I'm showing a lot faster than what I did with my first baby. And that's it, you guys.